event, whatever. I don't know the name of it. It is like almost 8 o'clock. I'm supposed to be there by now. The FRS is being an FRS. I don't even know how to explain it. We're gonna go ahead and set up the booth, slide the car around a bit, and then haul ass to CCM. It's gonna be a very nice long day. I know Josh is excited. You can't drift a Subaru.
Besides you. What are we?
This is gonna be litty. Plenty of 240s. Makes me really want to shitbox 240. My FRS with the girl driving it. She fucking poking. Big thing. Too bad we can't drift this. That'd be cool.
Real drive swap it.
To be continued. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. A lot of events have unfolded themselves in a very displeasing way. We left the money box at home for the booth, and it has our card reader and all our spare cash and whatnot in it. So I had to go and get some cash out so we can, you know, make change and everything for all any purchases anyone might make. Upon going to get change and whatnot, I try to go to the first place, the nearest gas station. Like, okay, cool, I'm gonna grab a Snickers and check out and at least get a 20, you know, swapped out for some change. And she said, no, sorry, we don't do change. I'll go to another gas station and I'll get change. That's fine. So the nearest gas station is like 3 miles away. Going all the way down to the gas station, get there. Finally, she's like, okay, yeah, we'll give you change. It's like, okay, bet. So I got the change, I went back to the car won't start. Again, that's the second time this morning. That's cool. By the car, I mean FRS. On the way back now, hopefully today will get a little bit better. Fuck. Steering did the thing again. We We good now?
Nobody else here, man. Just you and me.
Damn, dude. I tried.
Gotta keep trying.
Man, that shit's tricky, dude.
Yeah.
My steering wheel's not helping much. See if this helps. No, it's been off. I just reset it. I'm probably only gonna do one more, honestly.
All right.
I don't want to break the car and not be able to get home.
Yeah, true.
I need to tear the front end out and see what it's doing. Hey, I didn't hit any cones, I don't think.
Not yet.
Maybe that means I'm not going too hard enough.
Maybe.
Okay, so it's around, back, that way.
Watch him, okay?
All right.
You're gonna go all the way over, okay? So
All right.
now watch him. See that cone right there?
Okay.
You're gonna make sure you go on the other side of that cone like that, and you'll be good, okay?
Okay.
Got it?
All right. I'll try.
You'll be good.
Fuck me. God damn it. That's a tough one, dude.
Yeah. This course needs a lot more power, I think.
Fuck that.
Yeah.
We'll do one more. The steering feels good. Yeah, I'm only gonna do, this is my last one. No matter how addicting it is, no matter how good or bad I do, this is it. I'm gonna cut myself off because I'm not an addict. I'm not a fucking addict.
You can control when you want to stop.
Dude, what's crazy to me is we're on this side of the fucking rope. We're with that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, we're not as good as that, you know, but we're still over here. That's
here.
so cool.
Burning tires off.
Fuck me.
That's a tough corner.
No cones. Wasn't too bad, but it was really fun.